Welcome back to Politricks Watch. This is Sir P. Now, today I'm going to show you some of the pictures with the inner Vybz Barabbas phone when it was, confiscated. But tell people say Barabbas actually into the occult, right, and the devil worshipping. Like, you're not actually believing in the devil. You don't have to believe in it. He surely does. The people who him answer to surely do. Yes, I'm a conspiracy theorist. Before I go into this video and showing them, Sunday, gather your friends, gather your neighbors. When I forgot have some barbecue or order some food, right? It's a big watch party, big video drop. And I for one would like to say, Barabbas, make sure so you're comfortable in the video drop. Normally I watch on a little phone screen. Now you can put it on your TV, in your living room. Put up your foot and enjoy. That's what people have been doing for years. Well, now, we don't say you tune in faithfully, but now you can tune in like the rest of the people. This time you're more comfortable. This time you can put up your foot. This time you can, have your food and your drinks and everything inside of you. More space. The infamous AP and JP video will be dropping. The Palmer Boys. You already know AP is a DJ Palmer. You're wondering, well, what's JP? Well, me not talk about justice of the peace. Enough video left for dropping now. We have the massacre video, the Jackie video. Barabbas, get yourself comfortable. Me say you plan for run me. Me say you plan to take with yourself. Anywhere you go, just make sure so you have Wi-Fi. Don't want miss the video them. Welcome back, Barabbas. Now, as me say, when the phone get take away and search, I remember like it was yesterday. I remember vividly some of the things I'm gonna see. If I knew I would one day end up become a little YouTuber, with a sea of all of them pictures, you know how much pictures I did have in my possession, how much pictures come across my desk. But if me just know say me I go turn a little YouTuber, I could have saved them and put them down. And if them drop in a this day, in a this time, they would be like earthquake in a Iron Man. But them time there, I had no idea I'd be a little YouTuber. Pictures like Roderick body after he was killed. All kind of pictures. Even the same Tesha Miller there, the Klansman Dan. Some very damning pictures of him. It passed through. But many of the Barabbas pictures have been deleted off the internet. Even if you try to search for them, if you try to search for Vybz Kartel leak photos, you see some of them, but enough of them gone. That's by design. See, some of them, as I never even make it to the internet, but the ones them that did, it was definitely worth more than what's available now. Some of them showed Barabbas engaging in things that him claim to burn out. When I see them set a picture there, they never even bother spend the time and study them to notice if I want Kerry or a mad sauce. But remember what I see, there was a whole set of them. Only one of them managed to make it on the internet. And that one has been erased as well. See him Barabbas there. By the way, Mad Sauce shall be featured in the video on Sunday. Mad Sauce aka Sprat Sauce. That the Klansman video when Tanima discuss killing is that you see one of them a walk around with them and hook up. When woman have a little style with them hook up them and so. That one day. Right. Well, you know why him and hook up so. We're not going to hear about him Sunday. Mad Sauce aka Sprat Sauce. See them up on your screen now. Some of the picture of them, Roderick and Popcorn in a studio. Yes, the same Roderick. The Barabbas will end up make not just him dead, but all him baby mother dead. Turn Roderick youth in an orphan. See them on your screen as I say just them picture you left on the internet. telling you, say, there were pictures showing Barabbas and his devil worshipping. And there were pictures, various signs of the occult. This is one of the last one that remain on the internet. There were even pictures of a headless body. There were pictures of altars. Look at them, use them for sacrifice. Enough of them never even make it to the internet. And the one them make it to the internet, enough of them have been wiped off the internet. If only I had known. See there? Hail Satan. Look on it closely. See it up on your screen. You know? See it up on your screen. The hand symbol where you see Barabbas throw. But then claims are unruly. Satanic symbol that. Oh no. That's why you see enough of the rock star them do it. Now Uncle some place. The devil tattoo. The daddy devil name. When they start through my bad mind him. But as usual, the masses are the last to know. The sheep are the last to know. And at this point, it's not that people don't even know. It's that people don't care. It's the reason why Vybz Barabbas is so popular with many Jamaicans is because deep down, them see themselves in him. Low self-esteem, self-hating, hate dark skin, hate melanin, Irish Saxon, impulsive, violent, destructive. That's why he's so popular in one of the devil's playgrounds in Jamaica. There are some countries where that's definitely the devil's playground. Jamaica, Uncle Sam place, none of them. But Ironman is the home of the fakest Christians on earth. Even though you see Jamaicans love tell about most churches per square mile and them love God and them this and them that and God. Ask them which God. How do you think Vybz Barabbas do a song and say your crotch is coming like Bible? Remember that song there? Your nigga like coming like Bible. Him could have used anything else. He chose the most sacred book for the people who claim to them love God the most. And it hit. People who say them are devout Christians, people who say them love God, that's their favorite song. Your crotch is coming like Bible. Him could have used any other word to play upon this song. Remember say Vybz Barabbas say him effing at the church, getting that spirit. Nobody in a Saudi Arabia or the UAE can make no song say your nigga like coming like the Quran. Nobody. By the time them done voice the song, that will be the end of them. You know why Vybz Barabbas can say your catch it coming like Bible and it hitting Iron Man? You know why him can say effing at the church getting a spirit and hitting Iron Man? Because Iron Man, despite the whole, have the most churches per square mile. Because the place who have the most quote-unquote house of the Lord should be the holiest. But it's one of the most demonic. Leads the world in murder rate. Leads the world in jacket production. That's why you see people who tell us that them love God and them stand for God and them a prayer warrior. I scream out free Barabbas. I tell about a true them I look on the legal side of it and the constitutional. These people are vile. Vile and monstrous people. There is no way people who proclaim to be so holy and righteous and everybody stand for this and stand for that can have a society that lead the world in murder rate. Crotch is coming like Bible and it hit. Vybz Barabbas did exactly what his masters told him to do and it worked. Vybz Barabbas was rewarded for a job well done. Nobody else couldn't boast that case here. Nobody else. There's no agent equivalent to Barabbas. He's the king of the Irish Saxons. Most of the other DJ them are crafted in his image. Most of them new DJ say come out and say some outlandish things and I go on. Their image, their sound, they're just new spawns of Barabbas. The fakest quote unquote Christians on earth. Nobody in Israel can say your nigga like come like the Torah. That will be the end of them. But Barabbas said it in Iron Man and it hit. The most fake righteous people you will ever meet. So boy boss, tune in Sunday. Make sure you're comfortable. It's going to be real interesting. Patreon squad, big up on yourself. PIA, you don't know, more life. Vulture squad, stay circling. Bless.